Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to make a travel intro animation using text reveal effect in Canva, easy Canva tutorial. For us to be able to get started, once you're already in Canva, click on to create a design here onto the upper part of the screen and then choose a video. In here onto the left side, you should be able to find an elements. So let's try to search for our main background in here. So for example, if we opt for a beach, let's search beach in there and then try to choose a photo that would suit. So for example, this one, let's just drag and drop it in here and then resize it to go ahead and fit the screen. So it should go ahead and look something like this. And once you're done, head back here onto the left side, click onto text and then add in a heading, type in here, beach. And then right after, you could also change its font or text color in here. Let's change the color to white and also the font for that one. So there are a lot of options available to choose from. Just choose your preferred type. So let's make it bigger. And then right after, let's have this one onto the center. Once done, click on to share and then click on download. And then we'll choose a file type as PNG for this and click on to download. So let's just wait for this one to be downloaded onto our device. And then right after, let's upload it in here. We could go ahead and remove everything in here. And then right after you have uploaded already here onto the upload the file, then we're going to go ahead and try to have this one fit on the screen. So it should look something like this. And then once done, let's add an airplane that we're going to use as a transition. Let's try to search that one here onto our elements real plane. Then right after, you could choose which plane to use. For example, we're going to use this one and then we'll rotate this one 90 degrees. Then we're going to go ahead and make this one bigger, resize this. And right after that, let's add in some shape. So let's remove the search first and then we're going to use the square shape. So we could try to choose another color for this so that it would match our background. So for example, we're going to use this one or any of the photo colors that we have in here. So let's make this one bigger and then let's create or copy this one to create two smaller squares for the wings of the airplane. So we could just match it like that. And then we're going to go ahead and copy the same thing, paste it, and then let's just rotate this. And it should look something like this. Now right after, let's click onto the plane in here. Let's go ahead and click onto layer and then we're going to go ahead and click onto bring to front. So it should go ahead and look something like this. And then right after, let's set this one as the background so that it won't move. And then let's go ahead and copy the plane together with this one. So we could select it just like that, click onto group, and then we're going to go ahead and have this one positioned here onto the last part, just like that. So let's try to go ahead and group this one first and make sure that this part is actually long so that it should look like that. Then let's group it back again and then let's have this onto the last part so that it should go ahead and cover all of the screen. Now right after, what we need to do is to duplicate this one, create a duplicate page, and then right after, what we need to do is we're just going to drag the airplane all throughout here. Now we could add in a transition right after, click onto add transition, and then we'll use match and move. We could adjust the duration for that one as per our liking. And then here onto the first page as well, we could add in a text. So let's add a heading. Let's add travel to, change the font for that one, make this one bigger as well. And then right after, change the color of this one. Now we could adjust also the timing for this text. Let's right click onto that, click onto show timing so that it should be around just there. Now if you do a quick preview, this is how it should look like. And that is just basically it, how you make a travel intro animation using text reveal effect in Canva. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.